Did you know that you can create live pictures in Excel? Check this out. First, select the area that you want to capture. Then click on the camera icon in the Quick Access toolbar and place your live image wherever you want in your worksheet. What's amazing is that this image updates automatically when you change the data in the original cells. Take a look. Everything that I am changing in my original data also updated in my live image. The camera tool is a great feature and also works on different worksheets, workbooks, and even across Microsoft applications. For instance, take a look how you can add a live image to PowerPoint. Again, select your range, click the camera tool in your Quick Access toolbar, then go to PowerPoint and click on the tiny arrow under the Paste option to open the drop-down menu. Here, select Paste Special, Paste Link, and there you go. The live picture is now embedded in PowerPoint, and every change that we make on our original data in Excel will be reflected in PowerPoint. Check this out. I make some changes in Excel, and my changes appear directly in PowerPoint. Fantastic.